All right, we can start the class now. Yesterday we did the whole of, sorry, I cannot use this pair because I've analyzed this pair today. I cannot use this pair. Kai. Then you got Galavan. If this network is going to misbehave, another issue again. Was that mana da ka wuta ba sai wani hayaniya kake network ne ke wallahi. Kai. What's the meaning of this? I think we'll start having few classes in the morning. Emmanuel, they go posting. Because in the morning there's network, like it won't even reconnect course of the safa akwai network. Amma ganin da daddare kowa baccin sa kowa is free, shi yasa ake da daddare, but in the morning that's when. So today we'll be jumping to support and resistance. Yesterday we did trend line. I sent a PDF. I sent everything that will enable you to understand trend line. Everything. That's the easiest type of analysis. I think that's what most beginners use to trade the market. So today we'll be jumping to support and resistance. Yesterday I told you the the type of tool you'll be using for your analysis. It's called trend line. You use trend line. You also use time frame. I've already sent you the PDF for those people that missed the class. You can watch the video and read the PDF. You understand, inshallah. Today we'll be talking about support and resistance. Like I explained yesterday, I did an explanation on support and resistance. If, for example, we have someone like this. This is the head of someone. It's okay. Yeah. If this is someone, for example, this is someone and he's standing in a house, what I said yesterday, if this guy wants to jump up and leave this particular place, there will be something that will be resisting him from the top, which is the roof of the house. But if you are inside your house, you cannot jump up and just get out through the roof. What will be resisting you is the roof. So this particular roof is what we call the resistance, the roof of the house, or you can call it the what? Resistance. The resistance is usually at the top. And the guy, what is supporting the particular person is what? The floor of the house, called the tiles, the roof, the floor, the tiles, the cement, the everything. This is what we call the support. All right. So yesterday, we already touched a little bit of support and resistance, and it's just in a trending market we did yesterday. A trending market. This is also mostly in a trending market, but yesterday's own, if you look at it, it's kind of slant, but today's own will be a bit straight, and we can jump into explanation. Support and resistance, for example, if the market is moving like this, let me give an example with a ranging market at first, like this. You use this tool, the tool used for this particular analysis is called rectangle block. The name of the tool is rectangle block, but when it's drawn on the chart, we call it zone. All right, this rectangle I'm on. All right, this place you highlight like this is called your what? This is your support. Sorry, resistance. Can't even see my distance. This resistance. And this one here. This one is your support. This one is your support. You can see. This is just the example. So now, this is all what we'll be talking about today. But I'm going to make it a little advanced. I won't just teach you the normal basics. I feel like because normally if you go to other people classes to teach you trading, actually, wallahi, they'll just teach you this is so this is resistance, this support, they'll give you or you go and trade. I'm giving everything here. I'm teaching everything I know because this is the last class I'll be teaching. This is the last class I'll be teaching. Like I'll be teaching Forex this class. I'm done after this. I don't have time to teach Forex again. I want to be doctor, not be stay. All right, so if there's the first type of scenario, this one I draw here, this one here, this is the first type of scenario in support and resistance strategy. The second scenario you'll find is there is a scenario we call support becomes resistance. It's just a line, just one line. The market will be moving. The market will move like this. But don't ignore the resistance from ground like this. It will break out this your support because it was acting as support before. It will now become resistance like this. So if you can see, this part of the rectangle block or the zone is what is acting as support. So, but what after the breakout, we wait for a retest, and now it's acting as what? It's acting as resistance. This is what we support become resistance. It's acting as support. This is what we call resistance becomes support, right? This resistance, this support. Sorry, mistake. Resistance. This resistance. You get? And there's also the opposite, where we have like this. Just one block. The market, this place will be acting as what? As support. Then you have a breakout. It will retest. It will now become what? Support. This resistance becomes support. This support becomes resistance. And this normal support and resistance. You understand what I'm trying to say? Then this place, this first place is now is what? This support. Support becomes resistance. This is how to spell support. And this place is resistance, as you all can see, everyone can see. This resistance, right? I think these are only three strategies you can find in support and resistance. It's either if it comes to this zone. Now, let me give you a little explanation. If it comes to this zone, this particular resistance, you buy. You sell, sorry. When it comes to support, you buy. When it comes to resistance, you sell. But mind you, you have to wait for confirmation in the lower time frame. Confirmation class will be on Thursday. So after learning your Monday, your Tuesday, and your Wednesday class, gone on Thursday, you still have to wait for me to teach you confirmation. How you can look for confirmation.
Your voice is really breaking.
Can you hear me? I feel like the network is back. The network is back.
When are you? Yeah.
Tunda kuna yin shi kenan. Where did I stop? Please? Where did you stop hearing me? Where did you stop hearing me? Please speak up and continue. I have limited time today.
Okay, it's
I think it is from the resistance to support. Oh?
All right.
Trend line.
At least these are the drawings. If you want to draw, these are the drawings I do.
you are not seeing
And
your
if
screen again, no.
you don't see my screen,
Your screen.
Yes.
you go there. Screen.
Uh-huh.
They don't want you guys to see my screen now.
I can see only your ocular desta.
Oh, you can see my screen now. You can see my screen, so we can continue. Why not? Hamson, system the Hamson. What's this? All right. As I was saying, let me see. Anyone left out? Hope I didn't mute myself. All right. As I was saying, when you want to buy, for example, when the market is acting as resistance, when it comes to resistance, you can sell, and when it comes to support, you can buy. That's it. But I want to write down. I want to go to the chart and show you each and every example of this thing I'm trying to say. One thing I told you to read about after that my class was higher highs and higher lows. All right, let me explain it a little bit before I move into the chart. Higher highs is when the market is going up, the market is in an uptrend. The market is in an uptrend. Like, what is the market for me? The market is for what we call higher highs and higher lows. Higher highs and higher lows. This place, since the market is going up, this is a higher high. This one is a higher low. This point is a higher high. That's the question most of you failed. I think question. This is a higher low. This is a higher high. This
You are not seeing, no.
You are not. Oh my God. My screen is sharing now, Emmanuel. See now. You can see now.
Mm-hmm. Yes.
All right. This now. This place. I don't have to delete them, do I? Okay. In an uptrend market, let me remove all this so that I can restart the explanation before I go press red button for system A. All right. I said when the market is in an uptrend, the question most of you failed. I drew a diagram, or I screenshot a diagram from trading view like this. The market is in an uptrend. Each point it creates, this place is a higher high. This place is a higher low. This place is a higher high. This place is a higher low. I marked this place, and I think almost everybody filled the question. And I clearly wrote it in the assignment that what? Read on higher highs, higher lows, lower highs, and lower lows. I wrote it there. This is it. This is a high, higher high, higher high. There's a higher low, higher low, higher low. You understand? And when the market is coming down, when the market is in a downtrend, when the market is in a downtrend, this place now is now a lower high. Since it's in a downtrend, lower high. This place is a lower low. This place is a lower high. This is a lower low. This is a lower high. I hope you get what I'm trying to say. This HH, higher high, higher high, higher high. HL, higher low, higher low, higher low, because the market is an uptrend. In a downtrend, this place is lower high, LH, LL, lower low, LH, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. All right. That's the question most of people, I think everyone understands this. So in the market that is going up, this move is an impulsive move. It creates an higher high. It creates a higher high. Retracement, it creates higher low. Impulsive move, higher high. Retracement, low, higher low. That's it. This one, the impulsive move creates lower low. The retracement creates a lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high. That's it. That's the brief explanation. So these are the three strategies we'll be focusing on today. The normal ranging market, support and resistance. Resistance becomes support and the support becomes resistance. All right, let's jump to the chart and see what we can do. The first thing I'm going to tell you is, open your ears right now. If you are using support and resistance strategy to trade the forex market, 1, take note of turning points. 1, 2, take note of swing points. 3, take note of key levels. Take note of these 3 things, please.
I
1,
do not hear you. Please
2.
list it again.
All right. Take note of turning points. Turning points. In short, I use normal pidgin English. Anywhere the market go, where it turn. Example, this place where the market go, where it come down. This place where the market go, where it come down. These are turning points. Or this one, or this place where the market go, where it change direction. Now turning point be that. Take note of all these things. If you are using support and resistance, take note of turning points. You get what I'm trying to say? Take note of key level. Key level is also where the market goes and turn, but a major one, like this one. This one is obvious and it's very major. This key level. This also key level. This one, these 2 I draw. These are key levels. Swing points is also the same thing as high, higher, low, lower, higher, lower, low, and turning points. That's the only things I mentioned. Take note of these things. You need to map them out wherever you see them. You get me? Right? That's what you are going to take note of. 2, always map your chart. Meaning what? You have to draw a zone anywhere you see anything relevant, like this rectangle block I'm using. You have to draw a zone anywhere you see something relevant. All right, let's jump into the chart and try to analyze the market using support and resistance strategy. Let's see whether we figure money. Let's just see little few explanations, and then I'll use the little knowledge I have to mix both trend strategy and support and resistance strategy to show you how you can use both of them at the same time. All right, now look at this market. Look at this market. I told you, anywhere the market goes and turn, you draw a zone. Any turning point, you draw a zone, depending on whether it's resistance or whether it's support. My brother, just draw a zone. That's it. Then, secondly, make sure you know the zone you are drawing. Is it support? Is it resistance? Is it going to act as support? Is it going to act as resistance? That's it. All right, let's go to a higher time frame so that we can see what we are doing clearly. Maybe 4 hours. 4 hours. Yeah, 4 hours. Let's go to a 4-hour time frame. Let me remove this. I have to keep removing this so you guys can see session breaks. All right, so for example, now this market, you want to analyze this particular Euro USD market. What did I tell you to do first? Anywhere the market goes and turn, you should map it. So what you do is, this particular place, you can see it. This is a key level. What you are going to do is you should map this key level like this. Another rule, sorry, I forgot. A rule is the weak, just like trend line, the weak can stay out of the zone. Look at where I mapped now. Let me zoom in so that you can see very well. This place, the weak can stand outside. The wick is outside, but the body of the candle cannot be outside. The body of the candle can never be outside. If the body of the candle is outside, then it's violated. It's already in breakout stage. You understand? So anywhere the market goes and turn, you map it. You get what I'm trying to say? This is a key level. This is going to act as a major support. Whenever the market comes back and tap this particular place, it's a very, very major support. So we'll be expecting the market to react to this particular support zone and go up. Even though the market did not react to that, but since it's a major key level, you can see it is a major key level, then we take it as a major support. All right. But these other places are turning points. I told you, map turning points. You are going to map your turning points like this. Sorry, like this. Can you see? You can see the way I map this support. And then I can also map the top like this. This is a key level where I'm in because it's very obvious like this. Can you see? I'm just showing you how to map. I'm not trying to show you how to use it to analysis. You have to map every, like all this major points you see like this. You have to map them. You see a lot of people analyzing the market with a lot of lines like this, although this is not the strategy. All right, so let's do a little analysis using this strategy so you can see how it's going to play out. All right, since you know trend line and you know support and resistance, you have the opportunity to mix the two knowledge you have to your advantage. Okay, you must, because I feel like trading is just a game of how deep you can think. It's a game that how deep can you think? They are going to teach you, but still they how do you think? The way you think and the way I think are completely different. Because today, I don't know, but let me show you something in my Telegram. I think the best forex trader in Nigeria is this guy. I'm in his group. This fire pips. This fire pips. This guy is the best forex trader in Nigeria. His name is Jeffrey Benson. He's in Lagos. This guy make about $3 million. He makes about $3 million. But today, the guy did an analysis on GBP USD, and I also did an analysis on GBP
Currently
USD.
buying GBP USD. This is on 1 hour time frame. Let me show you the 15 minutes.
Can you see? The guy analyzed the market. He was going for a buy. I analyzed the market. I was going for a sell. And I saw his analysis and I was like, God, this guy is the best forex trader. They brought the light, mashallah. And I was like, should I go for this guy trade? Like, should I change my decision and go for a buy? But I didn't go for a buy. What? I used my analysis and I sold the pair. Find what he's using, because we are using different strategy. This guy is using trend line. Look
Currently
at
buying GBP USD. This is on 1 hour time frame. Let me show you the 15.
the guy is using trend line, and me, I'm using advanced market structure. I'm using IC, so that's why I sold and he bought. The guy chopped SL and I had my take profits. It's not that I'm just trying to show you that whenever you are doing anything in the market, just be sure of what you are doing and don't join a lot of groups. The moment you start tampering from this group to that group, you are going to have a lot of issues with your psychology. All right, let's focus on our support and resistance class. This market now, if you are trying to analyze this market using support and resistance, if the market is like this, you are going to try and map all the turning points. This is a turning point, right? You map this one. This is a turning point, and this place is acting as resistance. You have one touch here, it came and it's touched secondly. You are expecting that when it comes back to this particular place and it touches again, you are going to be shorting. You are going to be selling the market. Like you don't care, you are going to be shorting the market, right? Since this place is acting as resistance and it comes once, the market came here once and it came twice. This place is now acting as resistance. This place is acting as resistance. All right. Okay, the market did react to that place, and the market now turn. The market did not react to this particular place. Okay, the market keeps moving. What are you going to map next? You are going to map this key level the market created. This particular key level the market created. This place. Immediately the market creates it. That's when you map it. kun san cewa kasuwan motsawa take akan idan ka, like currently the market is still moving. I have an analysis I'm waiting for to play out tomorrow. This place, look at the market is moving. All right. When the market comes, this place is a support zone, it's a key level. So this place is going to act as support, right? And these ones are also small turning points. These ones, look at them, are also going to act as what? Resistance. Like, are you understanding where I'm heading to? I don't know if you can get me. All right. I hope you guys can get me with all this my nonsense analysis. Just showing you how you can take your trade from it using this support resistance something. And then at the end, I'll just show you how you can use support resistance, including this. All right. You also map this. But if you take note, this place is perfect. Support becomes resistance, or support becomes resistance. When the market came, let me zoom out a little bit. When the market came to this point, it reacted to this place like this. This place supported price and it goes up. It now reacted to this place, right? It came back, reacted to this place again. The market came down, broke out this particular place, and what did it do? It retested. So immediately it retests this zone, you can go short, right? You can go short. All right. That's one. And another one, anywhere you see turning points, I'm just trying to show you if you are a support and resistance trader, what you're supposed to be doing. Anywhere you just see a turning point, just map it. Because the market is going to be respecting such places until you find the perfect entry and then you go into the market. The same thing, look at this place, it acted as support. The market came, reacted to this place, secondly, support. And then thirdly, the market still reacted to this place, goes up before coming down and break this place. It goes up. If you check, this is a perfect place that you can go in. Forget about the market came down. It's an entry, because if you go in, you'll have catch 30 pips. Look at where the mouse is. You'll have gotten 30 pips and your SL will be just below this place before the market comes down. But this zone, you can also extend it and see this market will come back, test this particular zone and go short. I'll try and leave the market like this and show you what's going to happen tomorrow. Probably the market will come, retest this place and go short. I don't know if you guys are understanding, but let me go to another pair. Let me use gold so that maybe you guys will understand more. I don't know if I'm very clear. Because these two type of analysis, trend line and support and resistance, are the easier that person will just easily understand. All right, so I want to show you a little analysis on gold also. Let's just go gold and also see what gold is trying to do. If you can use support and resistance. I think gold is the best pair that you can use support and resistance and trade. I think that it is the best. It's not that it's the best. It is. You can use support and resistance sharp. You make money from gold. All right. I told us to always take note of turning points and key levels. This place, the market comes to that particular place again, come to this particular place again and goes up. That's why I told you gold is very good when you want to trade support and resistance. Look at this place. The market reacted to this place 1, 2, 3, 4 times. So this place is a what? Perfect support. It's supporting the market to go up. Can you see? It's a perfect support. And just take a look at something. Let me show you something beautiful. me show you something beautiful. Just look at this market. This is what happened at the market today, from yesterday to today. This place, after reacting to this place, you draw your zone, because immediately the market is moving when you are doing your analysis. It's not that the market is waiting for you. The market is moving, it is doing what it wants to do. And you want to see what you want to see. You cannot control the market. If you see exactly what you want to see, that's when you trade. That's why I used to tell people, plan your trade and trade your plan. If you plan your trade and the market does not do what you want the market to do, then leave it. Badly, you chop SL if you do nonsense. So look at this one. This is a support place. This is also a resistance. If you look carefully, this is also a resistance, because the market reacted to this place once, twice, and thirdly. So the market reacted to this place, come back, reacted to this support, comes to this resistance. Let me type it for you. Resistance. Comes back again, tap to this place, tap again, goes up, this resistance, and this support. When you have your third touch in that support, just go to the lower time frame, look for confirmation, which I'm going to teach you, and go long. See if you go long. How many people do you think you are going to make from this goal, from here going up? Gold is going to give you, at least if you are using standard loss size, this little move, you are going to be making more than, I promise you, more than $6,000, because gold is mad. You can make more than $6,000. Let's see how many pips was the long. Is my network bad? Yeah, my network is off. My network is off. All right, it's back. Sorry. Plug my system, but I didn't have any charging. All right, how many pips do you think you will have made? Look at it. 11,000 pips. That is $11,000. This is good for. All right, this is how it respected this third touch. After respecting this third touch, what happened? It went up. It went extremely up. Comes down. I'm not deleting anything, any of my analysis. When it comes down, look at what it did to that support. Look at what it did to that support. It broke that support. This breakout, it retested that support and it's going short currently. So after this breakout and this retest, oh my God, this network, this place became resistance. This place became a perfect stance. It just respected and go down. This support becomes resistance. This using only support, and then support still that same place becomes resistance. What is this showing you? This is showing you that if the market comes to this place, react, goes up, come to that particular point again, react, goes up, and come to that particular point, meaning there are a lot of buyers at that place waiting for the market to come to that place so that they will buy. That's knowledge that people use to, that's the knowledge they use to start up the support and resistance strategy. If the market it will go up, come to this place, react, go up, come to this place and react again, meaning what? Buyers that are in this particular point are plenty. Have the price set, because we do with price. This is 2033 to 2033.48. Nonsense. You see, this particular place, there are a lot of buyers, and that's why it's acting as support, and you can go long. Or support becomes resistance or anything. Let's go to the chart so that we can see more of it. Mamba za ka kashe wancan injin wankin bakwa na wutar na kamar ba kan takalma ba fa. All right, let's check. Let's see where I can use a lot of support and resistance strategy. Have you guys understood support and resistance? If you are mapping anything you want to map, you understand. Or we still have to do more examples. Do we have to do more examples? I want to teach you a little trick. I want to mix both trend line and support and resistance at the same time for further confirmation. This is going to help you in trading a lot. All right, I will assume everyone has understood, and I'll move to trend line combined with support and resistance. I don't think anybody use strategy. This is what I found out myself due to stress of trading and everything, because actually I didn't get opportunity like you guys to be taught. I taught my, that's why. All right. It took me a lot of time. I taught myself. So this support trend line and surely I didn't even spell it well. Trend line and support and resistance strategy is just something. I feel like, okay, why can't I use trend line and support and resistance at the same time so I can make a lot of money? All right, let's look at this uptrending market. This market is a perfect uptrending market. All right, draw my line. The rules below one. The rule says below the chart, right? That's what the rule says below the chart. I feel that's what the rule says below the chart. And then what again? A lot of rules I don't want to violate. All right, this is a perfect trend line. I even have 1, 2, 3 touches. Okay, but still, there are support and resistance level at this particular point. There are support and resistance level. All right, take a look at something here. This is a turning point. I can map it. Let me map everything so that I won't get you guys covered. This is a key level. Let me map it. This is a key level. All right, when the market comes back to this place, it's a very important level. I can go long, right? This is another important point. I'll map it if I want. This is another important point. All right, look at this point now. I have to this. I'll be expecting the market to come to this point again so that I will go long, but the market did not come back to that particular point. I'll map also this long. I can go long. Sorry, what am I doing? This up place, I can map it. The market reacted to this place, come back, reacted to this place again, broke out to this place. All right, I'll keep mapping. I'm just mapping all this. Why? I'm waiting for the third touch. This is the important point I'm waiting for. But what if I can use support and resistance to get further confirmation rather than just this little line? I'm expecting this little line to come and act as support. So that's why I'll be using more confirmation like support and resistance so that I can see exactly the market is trying to do. All right, still, I have important points like this now. Just look at this point map. This is the point I've been interested in since. All right, just see this. What is this thing trying to show you? This is the third touch. This is what I'm interested in. This place this multi highlighted, but this place is acting as what? Support. 1, 2, third. Look at what happened at a particular time. The place is acting as support, and I still have my third touch on my trend line. This is just to help me for what? For that confirmation, showing me that, oh yes, this place I have a perfect buy. I can buy the market at this particular point. You understand what I'm trying to say? I just hope you guys understand what I'm trying to say. The same thing, let me look for a sell market so that you guys won't be confused. All right, let me just still use this. This market is a bit consolidating. My network is off. Nonsense. All right, my network is back. Sorry. Okay, look at this little downtrend market I drew here. It's very little downtrend. The market was going down. I have my clear 3 touches already. I have my clear 3 touches. And see, I can also I have my clear 3 touches. I can go short here. I also have important levels here, like this point, all these points here. This one touch, it comes, it reacts to touch. Respect this trend line. Also respect the trend line. You can see it keeps respecting the trend, respecting my support zone. The trend line is acting as what? Resistance. And this one is acting as what? Support. Meaning, even going to go long, if I'm going to go long or I'm going to go short, if I'm going to go long, if I have 1, 2, this is my third touch, or this one, I want to go long from this place. My take profit is going to be at the point of the trend line, because I feel like when it comes to this trend line, it's going to be coming back. It's going to reverse. Understand what I'm trying to say? That's it. But what people prefer the most is breakout and retest. They believe more in breakout and retest more than just how do I put it? More than just support, buy, resistance, sell. They believe in support becomes resistance or resistance becomes support. Anyone works, but people believe in that more often. Actually, I don't know why, because I don't normally use this strategy to trade the forex market. All right, I think let's go to another pair and look for little more examples. I want a complex one. Complex one. When the market is moving, try as much as you can to do your analysis when the market is moving. That's what I'm trying to tell you. Waban ina wamba wannan sashi na mamanta. Like if na suna so sun ba mu wahala, amma Allah na tare da mu, zai da daddare za a samu wutar. All right, let me draw my trend line first. All right, so I don't want to do analysis, so I beg. See better trend line. You guys should go and go short too. If this price reacts to this trend line, it's going to be a touch. If you react to this trend line, look for confirmation and go short. Please, I don't have to do analysis. Okay. This is also an important zone. Sorry, this place is an important zone. This place, because the market came to this particular point, reacted, goes up, reacted again, react to this trend line, come down, and broke out this thing. All right. Oh, I didn't explain something. I just remembered. This particular going out of the zone, sometimes it doesn't even invalidate the zone. It doesn't invalidate the zone. It leads to something we call fake out. It's fake out. All right. What I'm trying to explain is sometimes market go up, react to this place, come down, go up, react to the same place, go up, react to this place. This is showing you that they are important sellers at this point. They've already have the price in mind. When the market come here, we will sell. Everybody sell. Maybe it's a company or a hedge fund company or anything. You'll be going short at this particular point. You get what I'm saying? Sometimes they want to go a little higher and it will happen like this. It will go like this. Meaning what? That is your resistance is going to be like this. But still, the market is going to go down. So this particular place that comes out, it shouldn't be too much. It's what we call what? Fake out. Like this. Fake out. Like, I just hope you guys are with me. This is what I'm trying to explain. So a fake out, and that's why I even explained it. If you look at this place, these two places are pure fake outs. They are just trying to like go a little more discount, because the price is reducing and it's coming down. They want to buy at a very lower price so they can buy and make their own money. So this one is fake out. So when it comes back to this one again, you can go long. You can see when it comes and react, you can just go long. But this trend line, I'm very sure that it's going to react to this trend line. But a further type of analysis here is this place. These places are highlighted now. Let me zoom in so you can see what I'm trying to show. It reacted to this zone, it comes, it reacted to this resistance, it comes back, reacted to this resistance. See, this place F is a short. This place is a perfect short. You will have one shot. Forget about this second touch, but at least you have one touch, two touch, and three touch in your resistance. You can go short from this place. You just go short from this place to this place because you know that this place is a resistance also. It might bring price back. Can you see? All right, I still want to show you more and more examples. More and more examples. All right, this one is for level, the one I explained the other time. Key level, right? When you have a key level, always map your key level. No room. The market is misbehaving. No, I don't think my network is good. I don't think my network is good though. All right, I think it's back. All right, still the same example. I want you guys to be mixing it for further information. This one self is a perfect trend line. I don't know how I used to see them. This another trend line. One touch. Let me adjust it. Second touch here. Have your third touch here. You go long. That's it. Third touch, you go long. Another place, this particular place. You have first touch. This zone I do act as support. Second touch, it acts as support. Weak can go out. It's very valid. And then, did I even see? I think I'm very stupid though. Oh, this one was confusing me. It was a higher time frame something. Sorry. I don't know. I'm still showing you a lot of examples. So you can see every day you see support and resistance level. Anywhere the market goes and come and go back to the same to react to that particular place is telling you that there are either important buyers there or important sellers there. That's why it's going to act as either support or resistance. That's it. Look at this zone that this market reacted to a lot of times. This 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You see, you can also go shorts here. Look at how the market went. What is this thing looking like? Please, anybody that answer go is 5 gig. Everybody on your mic. What's this thing looking like? Let me draw this particular thing like this. Everybody should on his mic. Wallahi, 5 gig data. This, what is this looking like? This is a type of analysis I'm going to teach on tomorrow. What's this thing looking like? You guys online?
Please zoom in. Zoom in.
What did you say? Abi, I should bring it aside. Look at it. Look at the drawing. A chart pattern. Baba, abin da yana aiki ba. Kagan sauka da bala'i. Da wani mugun. No, I think it's be this thing. Anybody with question? Anybody with question? You have to be going into the market and try all these things. If not, you'll be left behind. Anybody with any question? Hmm? I assume there is no question. I assume everyone has understood.
It is making an impulsive move, retracing, impulsive retracing.
No. That's just a name of something we'll be treating tomorrow. This is called inverted head and shoulder.
Oh,
Inverted head and shoulder. This showing you that the market is going to reverse. Anytime you see something like this in the market, it's showing you that the market is going to reverse from uptrend to downtrend or from downtrend to uptrend. If it's inverted head and shoulder, it's from downtrend to uptrend. If it's normal head and shoulder, it's from uptrend to downtrend. This is what we call chart pattern. I think this is even the type of analysis you guys are going to enjoy rather than trend line and water resistance. This thing. Clear inverted head and shoulder like this. Look at it. Boom, you enter from this second shoulder. Boom, you go long. Fuck it. That's our topic for tomorrow. It's chart pattern. Inshallah, it's chart pattern. And if you can see the normal head and shoulder, that one too is you can go short. All right, I think that's all for today because even may have a lot of things to do today. That's why I told you it's going to be very short. I'll see you guys tomorrow, inshallah. When I go read though, you guys should be reading. You guys make sure you are reading. Everybody should make sure it's reading. Everybody should befriend the chat. Befriend then no self. It's going to help you a lot. It's going to help you a lot. All right. Everybody should be trying to go into the chat and try to analyze the market because okay, let's try and do little something before I go. Let's see what the market did today. Let's see what the market did today. Let me clear the whole chart. I don't know if some people have left, but let's see what the market did today. Small support resistance and trend line strategy. Okay, if I come and I meet market like this today, just like this, what will I do? Maybe as a support and resistance and trend line trader, the first thing I'll do is I'll identify the trend. Okay, yes, it's in downtrend. It goes back to uptrend. It comes back to downtrend. This time frame is not suitable for me. You change maybe 2 hours. Change to 2 hours and see. Maybe you see something different. The market is doing almost the same thing. All right, let me try and see. Since the market is in downtrend, anyhow, the first thing you put at the back of your mind is I'll be going short. I can't go long because you have to. There's a rule that says trade with the trend. If the trend is up, you go long. If the trend is down, you go short. Just that you have to look for an entry. All right. You see the market. I can't also draw a perfect entry like this. Maybe you change. I go to 4 hours. Let's see what the market is doing in 4 hours. The market is still going short too. I want to go short. But it's still not clear. I still have to change my 30 frame time frame. Let's go to 30 minutes and see. All right, this is a little bit better. Since I'm doing support resistance and trend line, what I'll do is I'll start mapping my turning points. Where are my turning points? This place. This is a clear turning point. Right, you see this? One, I have my turning points. All right, I still have the opportunity to draw my trend line. All right, let me see what my trend line is going to tell. I pick up my trend line, look for the perfect place to start drawing my trend line. Where am I going to have the perfect trend line? Maybe here. No, I don't think that's the perfect one. I think that's the perfect one. You can see this is the perfect trend line. I'm showing you what the market did today. I'm trying to analyze just what the market did today. All right. Then what else do I have? I have another important zone. I have this place. This place is like an important zone, but there was no reaction. How about this point? Let me see. Also no reaction. Keep studying market, but this place is an important point. Just look at it. What happened? There was a reaction here by the market, 1. Another reaction here by the market, 2. Another reaction here by the market, 3. But what am I looking at? Since I have this particular resistance, this one should be resistance. I'll be waiting for what? Where the market is going to tap. That is going to tap on my trend line and it's still in my resistance zone. That's the place I'll be short. This third one that I drew here, there wasn't trend line. And I told you, do not force the trend line. Just be patient. It came back here. It was in my resistance zone and it tapped on this trend line. This is the particular point I'll be going short. This is the particular point I'll be going short. And I'll be looking at this particular point because this place too is also an important point that I'm expecting the market to react to, because I have 1 reaction, 2 reaction. I even have a 3rd reaction. I can go long here. You can see. These are just important points. You see, you go short. So the point of this topic is just telling you that anywhere the market goes and reacts to once, twice, or 3 times, there are either important buyers or important sellers there that have a huge amount of money. So if you join them to buy or you join them to sell, that's where you to get a lot of money from the market. You understand what I'm trying to say, right? This place is also another point to trade the market. This little place is an uptrend. You can this little place is an uptrend. This little place is an uptrend. You can see it. 1 touch. And my second touch here, I have 3rd touch here. I can go long. Right. I think that's the little we are going to talk about today. You'll learn more when you are going into the chat and trying to do little things. All right. Is there any question? Anything that you don't understand? Support becomes resistance becomes support, breakout and retest, normal support and resistance, key level, winning points, out, trend line, anything you didn't understand. Anything. Who's sleeping? Network ya ɗauki GBPSD na ina so in duba ga ya market da ita. Kai ba Asian session fa in kana kama NZD fa za ka samu kuɗi. Ba ka ga wani motsi daga ta yi jiya ce. Ni a NZD in ne ina gaban da ci a gurin. Shi yasa ina da ci a gurin da ina shiganta. Gobe fa na riga na tama wa short long bari mu ga daily time frame din da ke cewa. Alright, so Allah ya kai mu gobe insha Allah. Let me end the class. I want to do something in this market. I want us to do the app that I mean we should do everything and finish up sharp. Like I want to finish up this normal technical analysis by on Thursday. So on Monday, I want us to do fundamental analysis, and on Friday, I want us to have a test. My second evaluation will come on Friday. Then on Monday, we'll go for fundamental analysis. On Tuesday, on Tuesday, we won't have a class, and on Wednesday, we'll start our advanced class, inshallah, next week. Wednesday, too, in the next 2 weeks from Wednesday, we'll be done. That's what I want. what I'm planning to do, because just giving the main points. I'm not stressing you with reading, or because normally all this PDF I'm making very short. Like, for example, just leverage. I'll just tell you leverage that it's just money that broker is to lend you so that you enter the market. If I give you a topic to go and read on leverage, you might end up spending 3 days trying to understand what leverage is. That's why I'm not making it hard. But it's just very simple. The thing you need, that's why I'm telling you what you need, what's going to help you in the market. That's the only thing you need, and that's the exact thing I'm going to tell you. All right, so I think that's all for today, inshallah, and we'll see tomorrow. Tomorrow we'll be dealing with chat pattern. If you want to read ahead, you can read ahead chat pattern. If you don't want to read ahead, you can wait for the class to hold, inshallah. All right, so you will want to check the market. Maybe this one where they sleep now. Maybe this one where they sleep.